amaloboozi gano, then you say the word.
Get.
Hmm?
Get.
Get. Naye kinyumira nnyo ng'osoma ogatta amaloboozi olw'ensonga n'otasoma lumu. Singa nze naayogera okyayinza okubulwa kiki ogenda okukola ki? Okuwandiika. Kubanga amaloboozi oba togalina. Naye bw'osooka n'ogasoma n'ogatta ekigambo kikola amakulu. So blend the sounds omale ogatte. Hmm?
Yes.
So do it.
Sorry.
Excuse me, teacher.
Now, please.
Yezo ne mwambuusi.
Robina, please.
Kitanga soma.
And sikuwulira. Who is hearing her?
Okay.
Hmm?
Ga.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm. Gatta tuwulire.
Get.
Yes, but it's not ga. When you say ga, you can't say ga-et, gat. Do you say gat? It's g, not ga, but g-et, get. Tulifena. So it's get. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Next. Are you ready? Irene, soko tuwulire. What was it?
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening to Irene.
I'm just requesting for 1 minute to tell me what's going on, and I'll just connect you right now.
Okay. All right. Previously, we have been learning the sounds, right?
Yeah.
And the syllables. Since we are covered with that, we are now trying to form words. To blend the sounds, individual sounds together and form words. We have started with only 3 sounds to form words. Are we together?
Yes.
Good. Next. Ani ali ready? Next is this is it. Mary.
Yes, teacher.
Blend the sounds together to form a word.
Pen.
Blend, blend the sounds. Ogatta ddoboozi ku ddoboozi omale osome ekigambo. Si kusoma busomi. Omala tajja kumanya gy'obijje.
Teacher, I blend.
I didn't hear you. Can you blend again?
Pen.
Good. So the word is pen. We blend p sound p, n, p, n, pen. Guys, let me hope we're together. Steve 1. Abadde ayagala. Okay, I'm here for you. Steve?
Yes, teacher.
Blend the sounds together to say the word.
A. E. D.
Mm-hmm. So the word is
Bad.
is it correct?
Bed.
Bed.
No.
Who is that?
Yes, bed.
Teddy. Teddy, please. Teddy,
Yes, teacher.
what was my question? Did I ask you to read the word?
No,
Then why did you do
I'm
so?
so,
Give
I'm
your
sorry.
friends a chance. Your time is coming. Mm-hmm. So, Banange, is he right?
Teacher. It is bed, teacher.
No.
Where did he make the mistake? Ensobi agikoze ludda wa?
Wakati.
Owa mulageewo nanti awulirewo ategeerewo.